shapes all around me. Squares. This is a square. A square has 4 sides that are the same and 4 corners. Follow your finger around the edge of the square. That's a square. Who lives in the house with the square windows? Let's start with Suki. Suki follows the blue. Oh my goodness, we got the first try. Joe's green. He's at the rectangle. Rebecca's orange. She's at the circle, which was last week's shape. And Julia is at the pink, which is the triangle. Counting squares. Point to the squares in the picture. How many squares on the farm stall contain fruit? So we're going to look at all the squares over here and we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 squares that contain fruit. How many squares are on the back of the truck? So here's our truck. This is the back part. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look out your window. Can you see any square shapes on cars or trucks at your house? Big and small. Squares can be different sizes. Big, bigger, biggest, and small, smaller, smallest. Look around your home. Can you find a big square shape? Colored squares. Squares can be different colors. How many blue squares do you see? 1, 2, blue. How many green squares do you see? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many yellow squares do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many red squares do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you counted those, pat yourself on the back. Way to go, boys and girls. Let's go shopping. Help the car follow the track to get to the farm stall. So go ahead, put your finger on the screen, and let's try together. We're gonna go this way. Oops, wrong way. Start again. Let's go this way. Oops, that doesn't work. Oh, actually it does. And then let's go down and up. We did it. Way to go. Drawing squares. Ask a mom or dad or babysitter or grandma or grandpa to help you. Draw a house. Start with a square and then make a roof and a chimney and windows and a door. This is a present. That's also a square shape. You can draw that at home too. In the city, point to the squares in the picture. Let's try to find them all. All right, try to look for the shopping bag. Did you find it? Good job, it's right there. All right, let's look for a window with a green window frame. Take a look. Do you find it? It's right there, and there's one right next to it too. All right, that's a symbol for a telephone. We're gonna look for an orange square with a telephone in the middle. Good job, it's right there. We're gonna look for a planter. There's the planter. A garbage can. Do you see a square garbage can? Great job, it's right there. Now this is a camera to see who's walking by the city. Right there's the camera. And our last one we're gonna look for some drains on the ground to help the water on the street go into the drains. There's one and there's one. Thanks for listening all about squares.